We are pleased to show you 2012 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, roof rack, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.